There's an update on Snapchat on how to stop showing media upload. So let me show you the best method to stop showing media upload when sending some snap to your friends on your Snapchat. So after you open up the Snapchat app like this, now you can tap on this gallery icon to upload the image or the video, or you can use this button, this one, to take the image or the video. I'll just now go ahead and take some picture like this one. So after you take the picture like this one, all you have to do now go ahead now and customize the picture. You can swipe to right and add filters. You can add some text. After you finish customizing the image or the video, don't tap on this send button. Now close the Snapchat. After you close the Snapchat and remove the Snapchat from the minimize section. After that, now go and open the Snapchat again. After you open the Snapchat, now it will give you the last video or the last picture that you close the Snapchat on it. Now as you can see, now here is my last picture. All you have to do now, you can tap on this send button, and then now you can go ahead and find the person you want to send him the snap. So I'll go with this one. After you select the person, tap on this send button. So now I send the picture. Now if you now go to this camera section, so as you can see now there is no any media upload, and I send the picture to the person. That's the only way you can be able to follow and stop showing the media upload on your Snapchat. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys.